Hey, this is Chris from GuitArmy, and in this lesson, we're going to take a look at three different rhythms that I wrote for you, kind of in the rock/metal genre. When you hear them, you'll think this is definitely metal. Um, but just some rhythm practice. Let's have fun, play a couple different rhythms. Each one is going to focus on a different type of rhythm and style, kind of. And if you look at these and you try to play them and you're like, I don't even know what I'm looking at, I don't understand how to read rhythm, then my suggestion is that you go over to my rhythm course and go through and relearn how to read rhythm and take a look at my rhythm sheet 4. In that course, you'll see that it goes over these different types of 16th note rhythms. So the point of this is just to have some fun with rhythm. They sound cool. And if you have any questions about any of these rhythms, make sure you just leave them down in the comments and I will ask them. And enjoy the rhythms and have fun with them.